Good morning, bafowethu. Igama DJ Msewa. All the way from Hammersdale. Yeah, I'm studying. I am studying. It is 3 o'clock, man. Who says in that? 3 o'clock in the morning. I am studying, and this music thing is running in my veins everywhere. So, I present to you the new kid, DJ Msewa. This is him. Alright, bafethu, stories la. Nale ngoma ngishayile ne. I did a song last week and today I finisha. Senza konke siyafunda shaya number. So guys, siyene scare. Yeah, siyene scare. Scare. Fruity Loop. Umudli wey'ntandane. So guys, this song is titled Nomthandazo. It's a gqomu love song. Listen. Yeah, bafethu, it's a gqomu love song. Gqomu love song. Yeah guys, Nomthandazo. Q. I don't know, this year or next year, ngaboma January. Vele kube nje i-summer song. Next year i-summer noma i-winter iqalayo. Iqalani bafethu? Ungazi. Kona lokho. Qalani spring, sekusona mase spring, yeah. September, October, spring. Then about December, about January, summer. So guys, support your boy. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, search at DJ Msewa. DJMSEWA DJ Msewa, guys. And get my song, the hit one, Umsindo featuring Musiholiq. Angeke ngidlalela bo 17. Ngumlilo thelwe ngoholiki. Oh yeah, get the song, guys. I'm the vocalist. I'm the DJ. I'm a radio presenter. I am a producer. And a marketer. Co-founder of Msewa Entertainment, yeah. I'm signing artist one, guys. And that artist is me, DJ Msewa, and I'm Msewa Entertainment. So guys, I love you. Bye.